We get about a point. You know, sometimes these are the trickiest spots of all. Just take out the low. The first swing low, knock them out, but we're coming back into our blue line. So I said, you know, this 16 should be pivotal. We know the half gap is 15 and a half, just below us here. So one of my thoughts today was if we could get by that 19, you know, yesterday's high and cut the way back, then the door is open to come back in and get the half gap. And so both high odds trades work. On morning after trend day, still doesn't negate buying again because this low is support until broken back over here. That breaks, then we open up the door to obviously come back in and test intraday, that 10 to 11 area. So I like the way this has reacted today, leaving some traders looking for the big knockout uppercut punch again today. And while that's always possible, we said we doubted that on top of everything else. But it's still available. You know, this is support till broken back here. This is a key support right here at this 7 zone, yesterday's middle. And once that goes, then that opens up the door to anything. So currently we're looking at this 22 to 25 resistance zone. We said from yesterday, still using what we had yesterday. Come back in and think nothing about a plunge. Just think about a, you know, profit-taking swing. And that's what we've got so far. That's all we've got. We do not have any evidence that this is a killer trade south side. We're thinking small bites. I'm trying to keep traders calm in perspective. There's our half gap. Come on, baby. And a reminder, this is a 60% pullback. So if you get into the 16 zone, the 17 zone, you must take something. And good fortune below. And we're pulling into this kind of a move. You cannot think of this as a plunge move. The odds say this is not a plunge. This is a retracement move. So all we know right now. This is close to the half gap. See where this support came from earlier? This was a support being tested right now. You can see it. Right here. And that's why I said we've got to break this first. So anybody that gets into the 17 to 16, make sure you get paid. Great trade to knock these guys out, but still could be a trap zone for us. Won't know until later, obviously. And my suggestion, make sure on a nice swing like this, a straight shot back into this, which tends to give us more of a neutral feel right now. Make sure you get something though out of this. Because there are going to be traders here who got caught earlier looking to come this way. You know, they were thinking that this was a resistance zone from yesterday, thinking that 18 idea. Let's come back this way. Remember, because 17 and a quarter, remember how we had this 17 and a quarter as a target yesterday? So this is now a fighting zone. We said that would become a fighting zone as well. A nice trade. That's a 60 intraday pullback. I've got 1575 as our magnet right now, 1563. So I'm happy that target has been achieved, truthfully. Look in H7. That's our current magnet right here. Perfect hit of the magnet. So usually first time you've got to break that. Otherwise, it's a bound support. Perfect. And that's why you have to keep doing the math once you stretch ranges. Let me bring it out and show you.